The landfill economy, that regrettable modern standard, often dictates that our tools are designed for planned obsolescence, a quick and cheap cycle of acquisition and discard. It is a slow, insidious drain on resources, not just environmental, but financial, for the professional who cannot afford to rebuy, to relearn, to reintegrate. This is precisely where the Orion Standard intervenes, demanding longevity, demanding uncompromising performance. This is where the B0CB4CK3ZS steps into its own. It is more than a humidifier, it is an investment in ambient efficiency. Consider the true cost of distraction, the hidden tariff of a failing environment. Picture this, a mid-town Manhattan boardroom, or perhaps a sleek executive suite in Canary Wharf. A crucial presentation hangs in the balance, your reputation on the line, and then a cheap, budget-grade humidifier, struggling to maintain critical air quality, begins to sputter, or worse, emits an anemic plume that barely clears its housing. The subtle hum becomes a groan. The quiet confidence in the room slowly dissipates. That silent judgment, that momentary loss of focus, that is the reputational tax. For the global professional, who might begin their day strategizing in a London home office and finish it on a transatlantic flight to Toronto, such a failure is not merely an inconvenience. It is a direct financial liability, an unrecoverable opportunity cost. The true return on investment here is measured in reclaimed time. Imagine this tool saving you just 15 minutes a day, minutes spent not troubleshooting, not refilling, not adjusting. Over a month, that aggregates to 5 hours. For a professional billing a high hourly rate, whether in London, New York, or San Francisco, 5 hours is not simply a convenience. It is thousands of dollars in lost productivity in unbillable time. The B0CB4CK3ZS mitigates this silent bleed. Its 6-liter tank ensures a 60-hour quiet runtime, meaning less interruption, less manual intervention, allowing you to focus on high-value tasks. The precise 5% tolerance humidity accuracy means your environment is maintained with unwavering consistency, a level of control twice as precise as conventional units. This is not about comfort. It is about controlled, consistent performance. From an industrial design perspective, this unit speaks to a different philosophy. While not CNC machined steel, its robust high-density polymers and integrated components are engineered for sustained, quiet operation. The internal architecture facilitates an almost instant 133-degree Fahrenheit warm mist within 5 minutes, delivered with a powerful mist wave technology that disperses a 40-inch tall plume, effectively covering up to 550 square feet. This is thoughtful thermal management, ensuring efficiency and quiet operation. The precision humidity sensor and indicator light, coupled with the smart app control, transform environmental management from a chore into a seamless background operation, tracking 30-day trends and customizing reminders, placing total control at your fingertips. Now for the professional-only quirk. This is not a plug-and-forget gadget for the casual dorm room user. Its sophisticated engineering, the very precision that delivers such consistent performance, demands a degree of intentionality, like maintaining a high-performance vehicle. The 6-liter tank, for instance, provides exceptional endurance. True, but it also implies a stable footprint, perhaps a touch more counter space than you dedicate to a rudimentary unit. This isn't a flaw, it is the necessary trade-off for sustained, precise output, ensuring your environment remains perfectly calibrated, not just intermittently refreshed. The cartridge-ready tank, allowing for demineralization cartridges, is another example. It is not an absolute requirement, but for the discerning professional seeking peak air quality and system longevity, it is an obvious proactive choice, a small investment in maintaining superior performance. The global supply chain in 2026 is in constant flux, a dynamic landscape impacting everything from raw materials to consumer availability. Prices across regional hubs, be it the US, the UK, or Canada, are shifting daily. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.